everyone and welcome! Did you guys know that the traditional Romanian calendar has its own names for the months of the year? Yep, it does. And because it's the first month of the year, I thought it was the perfect occasion to show you these folk names. So, let's begin! Gerar, Ianuarie. January was considered to be the coldest month of the year, so the name Gerar is derived from the word ger, which means frost or bitter cold. Făurar, Februarie. The name făurar comes from the verb a făuri, which is an old word for to build, to make, or to create. During this month, Romanians would create their tools and start preparing for the cultivation of land. Mărțișor, Martie. Mărțișor is the diminutive of Marți, the old folk name for March, and it translates as Little March. It is also the name of the red and white string with a hanging tassel that is given on the first day of March as a symbol of the coming spring. Prier, Aprilie. Prier is probably connected to the verb aprii, which means something like to be favorable. So the month was favorable to continue the agricultural works begun in March. Florar, Mai. Florar is derived from the word floare or flower, which shows that May was seen as the month when the whole nature would come to life and abound in vegetation. Cireșar, Iunie. Cireșar comes from the word cireș, cherry tree. It's the month when the cherries ripen. Cuptor, Iulie. Cuptor is oven, so July was probably perceived as the hottest month of the year. Gustar, August. The folk origin of the word connects it with the verb a gusta, to taste, as it is the time when most fruit is ready to be picked. Răbciune, Septembrie. It is believed that the word răbciune is related to the harvesting of grapes. Brumărel, Octombrie. Bruma means hoarfrost and brumărel is the diminutive, so little hoarfrost. This is the month when hoarfrost starts to appear. Brumar, Noiembrie. During this month, the hoarfrost sets in for good. Undrea, Decembrie. Undrea is related to Saint Andrew, whose feast day ushers this month. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have other suggestions for future videos, please let me know in a comment section down below. Be happy!